Fish are a significant part of many people's diets today and have great nutritional benefits to us. However, sometimes the roles between fish and humans can be reversed. There are a few aquatic predators out there that have claimed a number of human lives, or if they haven't, they certainly possess the ability to do so. So, join us as we count 10 fish that could kill you. Number 10. Goliath Tigerfish. If you're a fish and humans named you Goliath, you better be one giant, ferocious creature, and the Goliath Tigerfish certainly doesn't disappoint. It's the largest member of the tigerfish clan, a genus of fierce predators with sharp, dagger-like protruding teeth. The biggest one on record was 1.5 meters long and weighed nearly 70 kilos. Locals say it's the only fish that doesn't fear the crocodile, and that it actually eats smaller ones. It's also been known to attack humans in rare instances. It's so lightning quick and forceful that not only will it snap an angler's line, but it will sometimes make off with his or her tackle. A number of deaths went unexplained in the Congo River and were attributed to a mysterious spirit-like foe with dark powers. That is, until extreme angler Jeremy Wade pulled one of these horrific creatures from the depths of the river. Number 9. Paraiba Catfish. The Paraiba Catfish is truly a monster and a potential man-eater. They can grow up to 3.6 meters long and can weigh over 120 kilos. There have been recorded incidents where large Paraiba catfish have preyed on humans. In one account documented on the television series River Monsters, a local fisherman was found having been swallowed head first up to his waist by one of these catfish, though neither the fish nor the fisherman survived the encounter. Number 8. Goonchfish. Another large catfish on our list, the goonch, also known as the giant devil catfish, is a large species found in rivers around South Asia and possibly also Southeast Asia. These fish can reach up to 2 meters in length and can weigh over 100 kilos. Between the years of 1998 and 2007, there were a number of mysterious disappearances in the Kali River, which runs between India and Nepal. The cause of the deaths was subject to wild speculation until a goonch catfish was caught in the river with razor-sharp teeth. It is believed that the goonch acquired a taste for human flesh due to the funeral practice of burning corpses and tossing them into the river. Victims are seized and dragged to their deaths by the prehistoric predator before being consumed. One 17-year-old boy was captured in front of his girlfriend. A body was never found. Number 7. Great Barracuda. Found across the globe in tropical seas, the Great Barracuda has a long, slender body, a pointed head and 2 rows of razor-sharp teeth. They are attracted to shiny metal objects and will also attack to steal a fish from a spear. While Barracuda attacks most often consist of a single strike that can lacerate flesh, there have been some confirmed kills. It's a good idea to avoid areas with low visibility if you want to avoid being sliced open. Number 6. Wels Catfish. Truly a giant, the Wels Catfish can grow to be over 4 meters long and can weigh over 400 kilos. They are native to Central, Eastern and Southern Europe, but have now also been introduced to Western Europe and are now found from the United Kingdom all the way to East Kazakhstan and south to Greece and Turkey. Recently, a German swimmer was badly bitten, while a catfish found in Russia had an entire human body in its stomach contents. Number 5. Giant freshwater stingray. The giant freshwater stingray is one of the world's largest freshwater fish, with lengths of up to 5 meters and weighing as much as 600 kilos. To some extent, their existence is cloaked in mystery. Nobody is sure how many of these creatures are left, or what habitats they prefer, or even if they ever venture out into the ocean. Though stingrays do not readily attack humans, they are one of the few mega fishes that can pose a real danger to those who handle them. Each ray sports a deadly barb on the base of its tail that can easily penetrate human skin and even bone, much like a hunting arrow. The stinger can be as long as 38 centimeters and typically introduces toxins to the victim's wound. Number 4. Blowfish. Blowfish, also known as pufferfish, usually do not grow very large, nor do they weigh very much. They move pretty slowly and clumsily when compared to other fish, and they don't have a very powerful bite. So you may be wondering, why are they on this list? Well, blowfish do have one hidden secret that makes them very deadly indeed. Almost all blowfish contain tetrodotoxin, a substance that makes them foul tasting, but more importantly, this toxin is deadly to humans, up to 1,200 times more poisonous than cyanide. There is enough toxin in one pufferfish to kill 30 adult humans, and there is no known antidote. Amazingly, the meat of some pufferfish is considered a delicacy. Called fugu in Japan, it is extremely expensive and only prepared by trained, licensed chefs, who know that one bad cut means almost certain death for the consumer. In fact, many such deaths occur annually. Number 3. Electric eel. Despite their serpentine appearance, electric eels are actually more closely related to carp and catfish. Their bodies contain electric organs with about 6,000 specialized cells called electrolytes that store power like tiny batteries. When they feel threatened or are hunting prey, they can discharge these electrolytes and emit a burst of at least 600 volts. They can grow up to 2.5 meters long and weigh over 20 kilos. While human deaths from electric eels are very rare, multiple shocks to the body can cause respiratory and heart failure, and people have been known to drown in shallow water from a stunning jolt. Number 2. Alligator Gar. Of the 7 known gar species, the alligator gar is the largest, reaching up to 3 meters in length and weighing up to 140 kilos. They have razor-sharp tooth-filled mouths, and while there haven't been any confirmed kills, it's definitely possible that they are responsible for some of the mysterious drownings that occur around North and Central America. As a small bonus passive threat to us humans, their eggs are poisonous to us if ingested. Number 1. Bull shark. While I didn't want this list to just be filled with sharks, it would have been a missed opportunity to not include the most dangerous of them all, the bull shark. They aren't as large or famous as their cousins, the great white and the tiger sharks, but they are the most aggressive shark species, and they possess the highest testosterone level of any animal. While humans are not technically on the bull shark's menu, they aren't bothered by freshwater and often end up around estuaries and bays, where they attack humans inadvertently and out of curiosity.